What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use the built-in thesaurus in Microsoft Word. So like most people, I am guilty of using thesaurus.com, booting up Google Chrome, typing in Google thesaurus, and then going to thesaurus.com and putting in the words that I want to find synonyms for. But I didn't know the whole time I was doing this, as I was typing out my essays in Word, that Word actually has a built-in thesaurus this whole time, so I didn't even need to launch anything else. I could have just used it instead. So in order to save you guys some time, if you want to use this, go up to the review tab up here, and then it should be right here. So just click thesaurus, or you can do Shift and F7 together, and it should open it right here, right? What's cool about this is if you highlight a word, like for example, let me just highlight this, and then click the thesaurus, it's going to actually search for this word. Now that it's open, you can change what's in the text box here. So you can do, I'm just going to copy paste that in here, Control C, Control V, and then hit search, and now we got some synonyms for throughout. But yeah, this is actually pretty cool, and you can change the language down here. So it actually has multiple languages. It's got French, Spanish, US English, and UK English. But yeah, cool stuff. Very short video, but that is how you get the thesaurus. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.